Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Gamers Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue on the Royal Match game if it is not updating. So let's get started right away. If your Royal Match game is not updating, then there are a few things that you can do to fix this issue. The first thing that you will need to make sure is that your internet connection is working smoothly. Make sure that your Wi-Fi or data network is strong enough and your connection is not interrupted. Now search for the application on the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you find it, if you see an update button instead of play, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. If the update process doesn't work, then you can try clearing the cache for the game. Long press on the Royal Match game and then tap on App Info. Then from the App Info page, tap on Forced Stop in order to stop the application first. Then go into Storage and then tap on Clear Cache in order to clear the game cache. After this, you can go back to the respective app store and then try updating once again. This should pretty much work now. Otherwise, you can try uninstalling the game and then reinstalling it, which will automatically install the latest version. Also go into your profile icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on your profile. Then from here, you can go into Manage Apps and Device, where you can find the Update Apps section. You can also update all of your applications from this page. So there you have it. That is how you can fix the update issues on the Royal Match game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.